Hey, this will be a video chart on our good friend WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. I want to end the weekend or go into the weekend with this just because it acted as we figured it would, and it's still plenty healthy. I've been getting some questions because people always get a little antsy when you see the price start to go back down a little bit. But rest assured, the chart continues to look fine. So I want to just get things a little updated here, and video won't be long or anything, but at least plenty of people have the weekend to watch it and gauge an idea of what to look for, going into Monday and just this remaining week, or the next week, excuse me. So these two lines were what we had in here last time, and these actually need to be changed to green, as these are support levels. I think the last time I did the video on it maybe was on my laptop, but so let's just get these extended out here. And this was the support zone that we talked about, and we said, the price was overextended here, and if history repeats itself, we're going to see some pullbacks. We had pullbacks here, pullbacks all over the place on this chart, and here, history just repeating itself. Today it was looking a little scary because at one point, obviously, this whole candle was, a big solid red thing here, but came down here right at the 20-day simple moving average and bounced up very nicely, and from a candlestick angle put in a nice spinning top. So that's what Japanese candlesticks would call this, would be a spinning top. And if these occur during up moves, that's not such a good thing, but during pullbacks and when they occur around support areas, which it clearly did here, that's what you want to see. That's a good sign that hopefully this is kind of the bottom of this current pullback area. So support-wise, as long as these two levels here, this one and this one, continue to hold strong, then that's fine. But more importantly, you want to see, the 20-day simple moving average continue to hold, as it has done quite a bit here in the past. So dynamically speaking, you want to keep your eye on the 20-day simple moving average. But from a static standpoint, these two support levels are what you want to see hold on any sort of pullbacks here. On any bounces, really, I think the best way to kind of gauge would be this 22-cent mark. That's kind of where the bears stepped in today. So I'm just going to make it skinny because I'm not saying it's a huge resistance or anything like that. But if the price can get a nice bounce and get some closes above this, then in my opinion, I think it's only a matter of time before we come up here and give this high of 25 cents a test. Let's change that to red. As far as in between these two, I don't really see anything that sticks out resistance-wise. But just judging by the way this kind of got knocked down today, I think if the bears can get a few days closes above this 22-cent line, then I think it'll either happen pretty quick, or it might take a little while longer to get up here and at least retest this. And then with a break of that, I'm not going to go into where the next resistance levels are. I'll just update the chart at that point in time. But going into the weekend, things are looking fine. The 50-day continues to bend upwards more and more, and we got the spinning top during this pullback. So from a support and candlestick perspective, it's acting like you would want to see it. Now, if these levels do start to fail, then that kind of changes the chart up a little bit. But we'll cross that bridge if it arises. But for now, things are looking fine. Just a healthy pullback, and we'll see what next week brings. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message. I'd also encourage you, if you have not yet, to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and then with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody, and best part is it's all free, so it's worth at least signing up, checking out, and giving it a try. One last time, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.